Hello YouTubers. I'm gonna make a quick video of a I don't know what you call it, rack type storage thing for my new, oh, it's getting ready to rain. Well, here comes the rain. Anyway, I just built this. I want to show how it works, because it works really well. These PVC things, I don't know if you can tell by the angle, they actually displace the weight of the kayak from sawhorse to sawhorse because they flex. I can't believe it started raining on me. It's really easy. Slide out. I got to lift up a hair for those little cutouts for the paddles when you bring them up flat in shallow water. You can tell I have the hitch extension thing because my truck only has a 5-foot bed. And I've had that forever because I have a 12.5-foot Perception caster over there and my paddle boards. So anyway, that pretty much stays in there all the time. Anyway, you can see how this works. Slide it right up into the truck. Couldn't get much easier. These sawhorses are from Harbor Freight. They're on sale. I think I paid $9 a piece for them. Drill holes to hold these PVC things in place with a strap. I did the same on the bottom just to keep, them from collapsing. Anyway, it holds the weight because of the flex really well. It displaces it. So if you just set it on the racks, especially in Florida, sometimes my garage probably gets up to 120 degrees, and I wouldn't want that plastic to get soft and give me some indentation. So this is what I came up with. There's very few videos with this Lightning Strike Kayak, so figured I'd start this. I'm pulling it back in. See, I'm only using one hand. Oh, there's my daughter.
Hello.
And it's raining on me, but just one hand. Slides right on there. I did lube the top of the PVC with some Remington oil, gun oil, the type with the Teflon in it. And for those that have only seen the 2 videos of this kayak, these are both access plates if you needed to do anything with the rudder or anything. Great rod holders, watertight, and they actually angle out really nicely as opposed to some people who install them. I won't go into the seat because that's been talked about. There's one of the hatches. I got everything. Oh, well, you can tell it just rained on me, but when I come back, I open everything up and let it, dry out in the garage. Had a great time on this. I'll post the other video to YouTube. I took it out the Jupiter inlet. Once I got into the inlet, I had to put the phone down. I'm not a pro by any stretch of the imagination, you can tell. As far as, I don't even have a GoPro. This is from an iPhone. Anyway, I took it out the Jupiter inlet and was out into the ocean. Felt super stable, super confident the entire time. People blowing by me in boats, even throwing their wakes, and I welcomed the challenge because I wanted to see how this thing would handle big wakes. So I took them from every angle, even from the side. At no point did I ever feel like it was gonna swamp or tip over or anything. The only place I got water at all was if I hit large, like I said, the larger charter yachts. I would take a little bit of water through here, like a splash, but this was all waterproof. Nothing in there ever got wet, and it would just trickle down and go out where the pedals come out. I do think I'm going to try to rig something, maybe with bungees, just a sheet of plastic or something. It would make a difference. Love this style handle. Obviously, it's never anything to worry about, and it feels good in the hand. But I did take some water through there. Again, not a big deal. Anyway, I hope this helps you guys. I'm not even holding the phone right. This is an option too for instead of wearing the big bulky, vest, the PFDs, whatever they're called. I got this West Marine on a Black Friday sale for like $30. I wrap it through here and clip it, and it just sits back here. But it's great because it's not bulky. I can't wait to put some. I did order a Yak Attack cleat for this. I actually think it's in the mailbox because while I was putting this together, the mailbox guy, the postal worker came. Anyway, like I said, I hope it helps people because there's not a lot on the internet that I saw about this. And if anybody has any questions, or if you live in the Palm Beach area and want to meet me somewhere and try it out, just let me know. I'm game for anything.